Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question submitted by a student. The question is, if the length of one leg of an isosceles triangle is 23, what's the length of the hypotenuse? We're going to do this two ways. We're going to do it the long way first and then the short way here. So the long way is to use Pythagorean theorem. Here's our isosceles triangle. As 23 for one leg, 23 for another leg. And so we'll set up the equation here from Pythagorean theorem. And using my calculator, I get that 23 squared plus 23 squared is 1058. That's the hypotenuse squared. The hypotenuse itself would be the square root of that. And it turns out that 1058 is the same as 529 times 2. You're probably wondering how I got that so quickly, and it's because I know the shortcut. We'll get to the shortcut later. But the square root of 529 is a perfect square. 529 is a perfect square. Its square root is 23, and so you're left with 23 root 2. So that's the long way. The short way, I think you'll like better. And that's to memorize your special right triangles. Here's the isosceles right triangle here. And if that leg is A, that leg is A, the hypotenuse is A root 2. And here in our problem, we had a leg of 23, a leg of 23, which tells me the hypotenuse has to be 23 rad 2. So that's the quick way. And that's how I knew how to get through this so quickly and easily. The other special right triangle that I recommend you memorize is the 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And I've shown you the relationships here between the two legs and the hypotenuse. A little bit more complicated than the 45, 45, 90, but not too bad. And you're going to have to know these. You'll see these again and again all through high school. So I suggest you get to know the special right triangles. Put a line here. This stuff in the middle should be memorized. Okay, so I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.